This is the cranium, the top of his head. And I'm going to go down to this area here, the jawbone, the jawline. Here's the chin and his ears. There's a little bit more of this ear showing here. And we've got his beard coming down there, but it's slightly covered up with one of his boxing gloves. So let's get that drawn in. It's taking on this shape here. It's been a little while since I practiced in my sketchbook, and I wanted to get back into doing more sketching and portrait drawings, and I knew that this would help. So here I am today in my sketchbook, getting some practicing in, getting some practice in. And so this boxing glove is a little bit higher. He's protecting his chin here, it looks like. And it's behind. Let me get my eraser so I can erase this area here. And it's behind the first glove that I drew or sketched in. And let's draw his shoulders here. His chest is showing here. A little bit of shoulder here. And that's all I'm going to do for this one. So let me get my micron pen. Let's start this first one with the micron pen. And put that beard in there. There's a little scraggly line there. And it's okay. I'm not necessarily going for detail, trying to make it look exactly like Tyson Fury here today. I'm just going for practicing my sketching, not necessarily looking for a detailed picture here, but I think you can get the gist of what's going on. Let me put in these boxing gloves here. I might switch pins here. Put this one over top of this one. And this one is underneath, behind. I think that's showing up. Let's make that beard a little bit thicker. And his mouth is slightly open there. There's his nose. His nostrils are rather flared. He's trying to suck that air in more than likely. Eyebrows are a bit up. eyes wide open. Got a lot of shadow in here. Just going to draw a few lines here for detail at the cavity of his eye sockets there. And a little bit more beard lines there for detail. Pull in a little closer here with the camera. Let's see if that helps. Get a little detail on the gloves here, not much. And I think that'll be it for this sketch. Let's move on to another sketch here. It's the cranium of the head here. The jawbone. This ear here. Directional line for the nose. Eyes about right here. And the mouth here. And we've got the shoulders going this way. This one's a little higher, just slightly. And he's got that glove right here. And this one is up blocking a punch, more than likely, about to block a punch. So this glove is about right here. It's amazing how the moves in boxing, if you master them, can help you stay on your feet, keep you from getting knocked out. If you know all those defensive moves there, you wouldn't think it would come into play, but it actually does. You can avoid someone's powerful punches by using defensive moves here. Now this arm, let's see here, there's a little bit going on that looks odd. And I'm going to stop it right about there and get my liner pen. Choose this one here. This is a number 2. I think I picked this one up from the dollar store. See how this one works out. Put a little beard lines for the beard here. And his eyebrows are pointed downward. In a frown position. His nose here. And that's about all I'm going to do for this one. Let's draw a few lines in here. Shadowed area. Let's put the mouth in. That's open. And that'll do for that rough sketch there. The elbow, need some work on that. Ball of the head. Directional line for the nose. The eyes should fall right about here. Mouth there. Shoulders up. Something's coming towards him, so that's his defensive pose there. All right, so let me get the, let's try this Faber-Castell this time. Chisel tip pen marker. Let's get this ear in here. Shape of the head. Now this one has a lot more value. Well, not necessarily. It's more nib to work with. This flat kind of, well, you know what a chisel tip looks like. Let me get that out the way there. Just get the beard in there. All right, let's get, you don't see too much of the neck because the shoulder is kind of looking to block. A little neck right there. Let's put that glove in there. Mouth is open a little bit. All right, so we've got that defensive pose there. A lot of shadow in this area. And I think we have room for maybe one more here. I drew these probably a little bit too big. Let's see. Let's go down here and draw this one. It's kind of like a victory pose here. Just arm up. Glove on here. And I don't see the other arm too much. It might be swung back here. So let's go from here and take it away with the pen. Let's try this one here. This Pigma Sakura FB. This is the elbow here for the other arm, which we don't see as much. And let's get the ear drawn in. So the mouth is open with the yell of victory here. Somebody is down and out for the count. All right, this is the result. Victory after all of these defensive moves here. Protection. This is also protection from a punch coming, and this is a block punch. And this is a victorious pose here. This has been Rita Root of Creative Artmosphere with just some practice in the sketchbook. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye for now.